Salve a tutti ragazzi, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Qualche tempo fa vi ho portato qua sul canale la novità di un camera drone della Over, l'Over Camera X1. Over è un marchio che comprende anche la 00 Robotics, cioè il marchio che ha creato il V-Copter Falcon. Comunque in quel video vi ho fatto vedere tutta la descrizione, le caratteristiche di questo selfie drone che aveva sicuramente delle caratteristiche appunto davvero interessanti, anche se sappiamo che i selfie drone non hanno mai riscosso un grande successo, ma questo in particolare ha secondo me un qualcosa di diverso. Allora, questo selfie drone, come avevo detto, avevo fatto vedere nel video precedente, pesa 125 grammi ed ha tanti voli autonomi. Decolla dalla mano, atterra sulla mano, fa tutti i suoi voli automatici e ha una durata della batteria notevole. Tutto questo, come abbiamo detto, in 125 grammi, quindi veramente leggero e piccolo anche nelle dimensioni. Ha una stabilizzazione diciamo ibrida, quindi con una parte con il gimbal, quindi meccanica, e l'altra parte una stabilizzazione ACE elettronica. Comunque tutte queste caratteristiche ovviamente non sono niente di trascendentale, però messe su un drone da 125 grammi, quindi molto piccolo, diventano molto interessanti. Però questi piccoli droni alla fine deludono sempre un po' perché comunque hanno delle mancanze, ma questo Over Camera X1 sembra davvero sorprendente. Infatti è stato appena pubblicato un video in cui il CEO fa la presentazione di questo drone e lo fa in movimento e lo fa mentre il drone lo sta riprendendo, quindi il cameraman di tutto il video che andrete a vedere tra poco è l'Over Camera X1. Quindi è pazzesco vedere comunque sia la stabilizzazione sia l'active track, perché comunque ha questo active track che gli dà la possibilità appunto di fare i voli autonomi, di tenere sempre inquadrato il soggetto con riprese appunto fatte sulla persona, perché essendo un selfie drone il concetto è avere sempre all'interno della telecamera la figura umana, quindi questo lo rende appunto un selfie drone. Ma direi di non perdere altro tempo, ma vi lascio al video e vi aspetto qua sotto nei commenti per sentire cosa ne pensate voi, di come ha fatto le riprese in movimento, di come ha tenuto inquadrato il soggetto, di come sembrava che ci fosse comunque un cameraman a riprendere il CEO della Over. Quindi non perdiamo altro tempo, mettetevi comodi e gustatevi e poi commentate qua sotto questo video del Over Camera X1. Andiamo!
Hello, my name is MQ Wang. I'm the founder and CEO of Hover Camera. Many years ago, as I was browsing through my family photo album, I noticed many of the pictures had the same problem, that someone is always missing from that picture because he or she was holding onto their camera. Furthermore, for the pictures that did have everyone, we were posing for the camera with the same smile on our face over and over again. Instead of being captured in the moment, we were taken out of the moment and recomposing the moment for the camera. So I thought to myself, can we revolutionize the camera and turn itself into a cameraman? Then no one has to be missing from a picture and we can all stay in the moment. That's the inspiration behind our first product, the Hover Camera Passport. It was the world's first smart flying camera that records video and pictures for you automatically while it's following you. It was very well received by our fans, but we weren't completely satisfied. Because although we got rid of a bulky, complex remote controller, you would still need a cell phone to control the Hover Camera Passport. And operating two devices at the same time was a real hassle. That brings me to today. I'm super excited to announce and present to you the brand new Hover Camera X1. The X1 is a true self-flying camera. And let me show you how it works. First, just press the power button to turn it on. Instead of having to rely on a cell phone or rely on a remote controller, it completely operates itself on its own. Press the select button to to pick a flight route, press the power button again, and it will take off from my palm. Right now, it's doing a 180-degree orbiting shot for me. So it's going around me. And in this whole process, it's truly autonomous. When it completes the flight path, it will come back to me. And I have to wait for a green light signal and just reach out my arm while it lands automatically on my palm. Hover Camera X1 weighs 125 grams. That's just under 4.5 ounces. It's half the size, half the weight of the Hover Camera Passport, but with longer airtime and much better image resolution and video stability. It could record 2.7K resolution video in degree 4 to 5 wind conditions. And there are many more fun flying modes for you to explore. So other than the orbiting shot that you just saw, there are other cinematic modes like a bird's eye view of your surrounding. Let's try that. It has 32 gigabytes of internal memory. And while it's recording the video, it's not just taking the images, it's recording the sound at the same time. You can use the external microphone or just the built-in microphone on your phone. What's truly interesting is with our proprietary AI noise reduction algorithms, we keep just your voice, none of the background noise. As you can probably tell already, this introduction video that you're watching is shot by another Hover X1. And I challenged myself to do this all in one consecutive shot, kind of like the movie Birdman. What would traditionally require an entire filming crew cannot be done with a single device, the Hover Camera X1. And while it's following me, it doesn't just have to lead from the front. It can follow me from the side or from behind as well. There are many cool technology that goes into a Hover Camera X1, and we will share more details later. So come on, let's go this way. I'll now have my X1 to follow me to go up these stairs. You can probably see the shadow of it. Now let me show you another classic cinematic mode, the zoom out. This mode works really well when you're at an iconic scenic spot, like on the edge of a cliff or in a building or architecture, like where I am right now. Come back to me. Okay, let's keep going. I don't know about your favorite weekend activities, but I always enjoy a good ride on my bike through the city to explore the parks or just to be out there in the nature. Hover Camera X1 doesn't just follow you walking, it can follow you running, biking, on a skateboard, or even on a scooter. And while it follows you, it can fly up to 15 miles per hour. Let's go. I'm coming to the end of my tour. The Hover Camera X1 marks the start of a new era of self-flying cameras. So please, join me and be part of this journey.